in the 1960s, a physicist by the name of Frank Drake, he managed to carve out an equation which is commonly known as Drake's equation, जो कि probability define करती है, ठीक है, कि आपके किस तरह से इंटेलिजेंट लाइफ फॉर्म कॉस्मोस में और यूनिवर्स में हो सकता है. So based upon that probability, a search was funded and initiated, and that search is named as Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, by the short name of SETI. So this is not a new concept. See, now the difference only is that we are sending radio signals in the cosmos, in the universe, in the whole wide universe. I mean, of course, to whatever distance we can send, of course. Let me correct myself, right? So, और उसमें फिर naturally you know के the prime objective is to receive any kind of a signal which is in the form of a response. और
हम probes भी भेज रहे हैं इसी तरह, उसमें हमने अपनी हिस्ट्री डाल के भेजी, और हम जो सिग्नल भी भेजते हैं, it has a bit of everything that is done on Earth.
Everything.
It's radio, TV, culture, everything.
Oh yes.
It's like a small capsule.
It's a small.
Explains कि human beings
exactly
क्या
so.
कर रहे हैं.
And very interestingly, शायद हमारे audience को interesting लगे कि Voyager 1 which is basically in the space farthest that this instrument, or rather this spacecraft is the farthest that mankind has ever been able to send. इसके अंदर जो हमने पहले नाम लिया कार्ल सेगन का, उन्होंने एक पूरी human history in the form of a CD or something.
There's a golden disc.
I don't have much details on that right now, but that is enclosed in that, and it is for any kind of an intelligence to decode, translate, or do whatever they can do with it. So I believe, yes, this phenomenon is here. This is real. UFOs and UAPs have been there since the early age. उस पे हम
We'll do a whole series on the
again बात करेंगे. But मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि mid of the century, the previous century, of course, when World War II, Second World War was in full swing. There was a phenomenon which was later reported by the Air Force and Navy pilots, basically termed as the Foo Fighters. Those objects, or that phenomenon, used to accompany the jet planes wherever they went, and that is a known part of the history of aviation right now. There have been books written on the subject, so we can consult. वही बात जो बार बार हम कह रहे हैं कि हमारे यहाँ बेसिकली अल्टरनेटिव रियलिटीज़ या अल्टरनेटिव सोर्सेज ऑफ नॉलेज पे शायद उतनी बात नहीं होती. I know, and I am reiterating कि we have got some brilliant minds.
No, we do.
But
we're here to change the perspective. Anyway.
That's why we're doing this.
That's why we're doing it. We want to expand on the topic and talk about stuff जिसके बारे में already वो नहीं हो रहा.